yesterday, my old faithful Ryobi moto tool crapped out on me. And I could probably fix it. But I just didn't have time. And I needed the motor tool. And so I went and checked, and sure enough, Harbor Freight had a Chicago electric motor tool for $22. I thought, well, that's a good price, and I can get around to fixing Ryobi later, and I'd have a good backup. But for now, it'll have to be the main one. So here it is. Let's see what we got. I haven't even opened it yet. So it comes in a case. Oops. Right. Did I get that right? Yes. Okay, there it is. The reason why I went with this, one of the things that I like about the Ryobi is the grip. I can grip it like this. One of the things I don't like about Dremels is that you don't have that model that does that the way I like that. And I've had good luck with Chicago electric tools. So I thought, well, let's give this a try. The true test is going to be, I'll show you in a minute. But it came with a bunch of extra tools. Looks like we got a sanding setup here, and a soft wire brush. Got some grinding tools. Let's take it out. I'm only looking for one. If this does one thing that I need it to do, it's going to be a great tool. But I really wanted this type of grip. That was really important to me. And I used to have a Dremel tool that I really liked, and when it crapped out on me, I went to get a new one. They had changed their style, and I did not like the way they felt in my hand. And then I saw the Ryobi one there, and that's what really did it for me. And that one lasted me a couple decades. Okay. So, looks like we got speed control here. Now, here's the thing. So, the specs. This Ryobi is 8,000 to 25,000. This thing is 8,000 to 35,000. I never use it on max speed. That's just too powerful. Now, I'm not so sure what I think about the switch being right here. I have a feeling it's going to be okay. Yeah, at least in the on position is the accidental position that you might accidentally put it in. Alright, so that's good. How about the cord length? Cord length is the same as before, so that's good. Manual. Let us take the manual now. And we've already got, okay, so this is the page we need to save. It gives a list of the controls. These two pages should probably get cut out. We're going to do that until we make sure this thing works. Then, if there are any, oh, what do you know about that? There isn't 50 pages of foreign language in here. So good, we're going to, if it works, we're going to cut out this set of pages that we don't need, that are going to get in the way of us ever needing to use the book. So let us turn to, oh, check that out. Exploded diagram. Very handy. Okay, so we're going to put this manual in with our manual folder. Now, before I even try this, I'm going to take off this cap right here. It should leave some threads behind. Yep, it does. Now, I want to take off I am not going to use this. And when you read the reviews on Harbor Freight, a huge portion of the bad reviews are about using the collet. I don't use collets because I change stuff all the time. I have one of these. Quick change. Keyless shut. Let's see if it will fit. Is it going to fit, or are we going to be out of luck? First, let's make sure. Let's see here. Let's make sure that we've got this thing open right. Let's check these two sizes. Uh-oh. It might not be the same size. Oh, that'd be bad. That would be bad. That's not what we want to see. Crap. We'll figure that one out. Somehow, some way, I will find one of these. They had them there, and I thought, oh, I already have one. I think I even have two. So we will find out about that. And I'll find one, and I'll put it on there, because I got to have that. If I have that, then I'm not. That eliminates most of the things that were the bad review on it. All right, so I guess well, you know what we can do? Let's try something. Let's see if their collet fits on the Ryobi. It does not. Okay, I'm gonna have to find myself a new keyless chuck for this thing. I guess we're stuck using this guy for today. And I don't usually use these. I keep them in my motor tool drawer. Alright, let's see what we got here. Mostly we'll be using this guy. And let's tighten them up with pliers. Oh no, you're supposed to use a wrench. Well, and there's a wrench in the bag. And well, that's probably not going to happen very often, so we're going to just use the pliers. Let's plug it in. Okay, and it's on. All right, let's clean something. What we got here to clean? Here is a wheel set that has not been cleaned. Even though I don't usually use a Dremel to clean wheel sets anymore. Let's try it. Winding up. Yeah, it's winding up a little bit. I got on the lowest speed. It is heavier. Okay. It's heavier. In my hand, that thing it's got a little more weight to it. It's got a bigger motor, 1.3 amps. So that's pretty good, actually. And then it has a thing that always has broken off my motor tools in the past. It's got the hook so I can hang it on the side of the workbench, which I liked. Alright, so let's listen to it at a higher speed. There it is. Oh, there's one more. It don't sound bad. I'm gonna have to get used to the fact that it weighs more. And then I'm gonna have to find my keyless chuck for it. Alright, so I can't really give you a great performance review, but this is the unboxing, what I got, and for 22 bucks we're gonna go with this for a while and see how we like it till we fix the rail beam.